Woohoo! Mighty cold. Poor ducks. Stay in the water because it's cold. It's warmer in the water than it is in the land, on the air. Man, I'd hate to be a duck. They keep huddling together for warmth. Big old flock. Whew. Dry, powdery, blowing snow. We don't get that this often. Here. Sorry, ducks. Didn't mean to scare you. Poor things. And the wind coming from the north has blown the water out, so we're real low. Now, you can see the muddy bottom. Oh, that's a drift. Woo! It's maybe it's a little over a foot where it drifts up.